To download CV in LinkedIn mobile app, firstly you have to install the LinkedIn mobile app from your Play Store. Now just you have to open the LinkedIn app in your phone or Android. You can see here there is an option of job at the bottom. You just have to click on the job icon. At the top you can see there is a search bar, and beside the search bar there are three dots. Just you have to click on the three dots. Now you can see here there is an application settings. Just you have to click on application settings, and you can see here just before this, make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you can see here there is a CV, and beside this there are three dots. Just you have to click on the three dots. You can see there is an option of download. Just you have to click on it. In this way your CV will be downloaded in your Android. All these procedures can be applied for Android as well as on iPhone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.